Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got my top knot with this curly hair. This mess, this thick mess, okay? If you're interested in seeing how I get my curly top knot, then make sure you stay tuned and continue to watch this video. So for this style, things you will need are your gel. I'm going to be using Extreme, hair ties, bobby pins, some sort of styling cream or leave-in conditioner, a water bottle, and last, a Denman and bristle brush. So first I'm going to be starting off on an old wash and go. And so this hair is pretty thick. Yeah, it's a lot. So you want to do this in sections. Okay, so first I am going to bring this perimeter out and I'm going to start with getting this crown middle area smooth, because this is the area where it's like tough to really pull and sleek back. So if you have thick hair, or if you have 4A hair that's just really hard to sleek down, or if you just have a lot of curly hair, then I would suggest doing your bun in sections. And if you need to, take your water bottle and go ahead and spray around so it's easier for you to, you know, maneuver. Easier for you to detangle. All right, so now I'm going to leave this for me to have to smooth down. And put the rest of this away for now. So that way, first we're working with this middle thick section. Now it's gonna be different for everybody. If you feel like it's easier for you to smooth the top down, then maybe section out, maybe section half and half of your head. But for me, personally, it's easier for me to start in the middle. Then I'm gonna take my leave-in conditioning cream. And then I'm going to take my Denman brush. I'm going to take my Denman brush and try to smooth this down as much as I possibly can. Okay, and also be mindful where you want your top knot to be. So I'm going to take the rest of this hair down, and then I'm going to section off the front. So that way now all I have left is the back portion and the front portion. So now I'm going to work on detangling this back half and sleeking that down. And I'm first taking my Denman brush to do this. And then I'm going to take my bristle brush I'm going to put this temporary scrunchie around just because I don't want to have like a ton of hair ties in my head. It's gonna make it too bulky and I know I'm not gonna like it. So last is this front half. So this front half, I don't have much I need to detangle, and it's easier for me because the front part of my head is a lot looser. The curl pattern is a lot looser. So again, spray. All right, so one other thing I want to do, because I want bangs, I'm going to pull these little side piece bangs in front. This part is totally optional. There's definitely different ways you can pull out curly bangs, or if you even want bangs at all. And then I'm going to go ahead and continue styling my hair. I know this looks crazy right now, but just wait. Hold on. Okay, so you know this previous scrunchie we had in our head? As I've got a grip onto it, I'm just going to pull that off. This is the challenging part too, because you don't want to lose, just be careful. You don't want to lose your grip. And I'm just going to smooth everything down. Voila. Whew. That was the hard part. Okay, so now I have my ponytail centered exactly where I want it to for this top knot. I have my little bangs out. So now this is where the sleek, smooth part comes into play. So grab your gel, grab your edge control, whatever it is you use to sleek your hair down. And just smooth that down. And now for the front. Yo, this is only my second time doing this, if I'm being honest. Okay, so I'm still gonna style my edges. This with some gel as well. And so with this, I'm just twisting my hair like that. And so what I'm gonna do with these two pieces, because I know that they will shrink, I'm gonna put them behind my ear for now. That's my way of getting them to dry the way I want. So now with this curly top knot part, I am just going to just kind of scrunch everything up like this into some sort of like, you know, ball looking thing. So I'm just gonna scrunch everything up, and then I'm going to take another scrunchie and just kind of place it over, like very kind of carelessly. And it just looks like a little ice cream cone for now. And then I'm just gonna mess with it. So just mess with it, pull at it, tug it. If you want certain pieces to stick out more, if you want, you know, some curly pieces out or what. And so as I'm like maneuvering and playing around with it, I'm going to take my bobby pin and just where I want things to be like more secure, I'm going to place a bobby pin. And I do kind of want little curly pieces out, so I'm going to pick where I want those pieces and just pull them out how I'd like. Alright, and this is the final look. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me see your top knots. I don't know how I'm gonna see that. I don't know. Inbox me on my Instagram, comment below your Instagram name so I can see how you do your top knots. If you have a certain way that you do it, send me over to your channel so I can check you out. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you not only enjoyed this video, but if you want to see more. All right, lovelies. Bye.